What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Alex. My name is Alex. My name is Alex.
Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in New York. I live in New York. I live in New York.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
I am 13 years old. I am 13 years old. I am 13 years old.
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do?
I am a student. I am a student. I am a student.
Do you live with your family? Do you live with your family? Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family. Yes, I live with my family. Yes, I live with my family.
What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning. I go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning. I go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning.
How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
What does your father do? What does your father do? What does your father do?
My father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. My father is a teacher.
Where does he work? Where does he work? Where does he work?
He works at school. He works at school. He works at school.
What does your mother do? What does your mother do? What does your mother do?
She is a nurse. She is a nurse. She is a nurse.
Where does she work? Where does she work? Where does she work?
She works in the hospital. She works in the hospital. She works in the hospital.
What would you like to become? What would you like to become? What would you like to become?
I would like to become a pilot. I would like to become a pilot. I would like to become a pilot.